What's up, everyone? Welcome to Dance FitSugar. My name is Arianna Davis, and we are here with a 10-minute hip hop session for you guys. Here with me is Poofy.
What's up, everyone?
And here with me is Paris.
What it do?
And they're assisting me today in this hip hop session. Are you ready to get dancing?
Let's get it.
Oh yeah, let's get dancing. Okay, period. Let's go.
Come on.
Okay, guys, let's get into it. But first, we're gonna start with a quick little warm up. We only got 10-minute session today, so we really gotta warm up real fast because we don't wanna hurt ourselves and we wanna be warm for when we get groovy.
Yes.
Yeah, all right, ready? We're gonna hit a little hip roll, yeah. Hip roll. And then we're gonna hit a little smooth ocean. Yeah, get those knees bending. Feel that burn. Yeah. And then we're gonna go back to the first move. We're gonna hit. Ooh. Yeah. I can feel my quads burning already. Yeah. And snake. And smooth. Like the ocean. Like the ocean. We're gonna squat, kick, squat, kick. Yeah.
Working my hamstrings with this
I know. I'm doing this because we're gonna be working those legs later.
Yeah.
Gotta get ready. And one more time. Ooh. Ooh. All right, y'all, this is it for this warm up. It's time to get into the moves. Are you guys ready?
I am so ready.
I'm ready. Let's get right into it. We only got 10 minutes, so let's go. The first move is woo and down. I call it a woo because, you know, woo and down, right? So we do that once. We go woo and down and grab and grab. Then we go reach for the stars. We do that again on the left side. Woo and down, A. Then we reach for the stars. We're gonna do that again. And reach, we're gonna do this 4 times. Reach, and then we go down, hit, and pulse, 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 pulse. The next move is so hyped, so I want you to get yourself hyped. Ready? We go cross and left knee up, cross and right knee up, reach again to the sky. Then we do that 4 times, all right? So you want to put that together?
Please. Yes.
So remember, the first move is 1 and 2, 3, 4, reach for the stars. Second move is cross and up, reach for the stars. And sorry, I said 4 times. We're actually gonna do the first move 4 times and the second move twice. Ready? Let's put it all together.
Here we go. Come on.
And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's get it, yeah. 1 and 2. Hey, make it groovy. Yeah. Ooh, add a little shoulder if you want to.
Yeah.
Let's do it again. Hey, and a pop. I feel my legs burning. How about you, y'all? Hey, get that cardio up. Ha. Then we go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. Up. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are done, period, with the first part. Now let's move on to the second phrase. This is actually my favorite part, so let's get right into it. Yeah, let's catch the music, all right? Okay, I'm gonna show you the first move, and we're just gonna go right to tempo, all right? Catch it with me. We go. Chicken wing. Up, down, hit, pulse, hit, pulse. That's up, down. This can be whatever you want, actually. Yeah. Get into it. Let's do it again. Again. We go, hey. One more time. And, ooh, slide it, hey. Yeah, hey. Yeah, next we go, step, touch. Yeah, hype up the crowd. The imaginary crowd right in front of you. I know you might be in your living room, and I'm in the studio, but right now we on stage.
Hey.
Yeah, get into it. Let's do it from the beginning. Step, pull, and ha. Yeah, get into it. Yes, oh my God, I love this. This is my favorite move right here.
Hey.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, one more time. Let's do it.
Okay.
Let's do it. Yeah, let's just keep getting into it. Yeah.
Hey.
One more time. Hey. Hey. And ha. Ha. Yes, that touch. Hype up that crowd, y'all. Woo! You guys are superstars right now. Hey.
Hey.
Girl, we are Beyonce.
Yes.
Get into it.
Poofy over here.
Yes. And we're gonna pose and walk it out. Let's walk it in a circle.
Okay.
And pose and walk it out. We're gonna walk it in a circle. Yes. And hold. All right, guys, how do you feel about putting all those moves together? I'm ready. I know y'all ready, right? Yes, let's get it. Okay, from the top. Some of the tempos are gonna be a little bit different, but we're gonna make it work because we love a challenge, right?
Yes, we do.
Let's get into it. Groove it out to catch the beat. 5, 6, 7, 8, and woo! Hey, hey, feel the burn. Hey, hey, boom, woo, down, down. Feel the burn. Hey, we do it. Let's do it again. Yeah. Hey, hey, and pulse. Pulse. Look at the sky. Look at those stars. Why? Because you're a star. Period. Yeah. And woo. Move on to the next move. Yeah, she got it. Hey, reach up. And a boom, boom, up. Boom, boom, up. Reach up. Let's do it again. Yeah. Up. Up. Feel the burn. I'm feeling it.
Yeah, same.
Hey, this cardio is going hard. Hey, we didn't come to play today. Next up is the chicken. Ha. Ha. My favorite move, yeah. My favorite move, yeah. Hey, hey.
Come on.
Let's get it. Yeah, let's get it, ladies. 1, 2, hey. I see y'all. I see y'all. Hey, hey. One more time. Let's get it. Hey. Ah. Let's pull it. Pull it. Pull it. Hype up the crowd. Hey. 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 You are on stage right now. You are a star. You are living your best life, and everybody came to this show to see you. Hey. Woo.
All the people in the back.
Hey, hey, all the people in the back. Hey, hey, all the people in the back. Let's go to this. Hey, and we walk around. We do it again. Give me sass, yes. Walk it around.
Hey.
Let's do it. Yeah, we did that, period. You wanna do it again?
Let's go.
I wanna do it again.
Run it.
Because I'm having fun.
Me too.
I don't know about you, but are you having fun?
I'm having fun.
Yes.
That's the best part.
Let's do it again. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Ooh. I'm a. Hey. 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 Okay, let's go. Hey. Hey. Push it away. You know what I feel? I feel like
What you feel?
I'm pushing away the haters.
Oh, bye.
Hey, goodbye, haters. Sayonara. Goodbye.
Adios.
Hey. Hey. And get ready for the jump crisscross. Ha. Hey. Ooh, this feels, you know what? I feel like a new person. Hey. Ain't nobody can tell me nothing. Hey. One more time. Hey. Yeah. Chicken wing. Woo. Hey. Crump it out. Hey. 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 And chicken wing. Buffalo sauce. Yeah. Crump it. Buffalo sauce. Pull. And pull. Hype up the crowd. And step. Pull. Y'all, this is constant cardio.
I feel
I'm
it in
really
my heart.
feeling it. I got sweat dripping down. Let's hit this pose.
Oh.
Hey.
Oh.
And walk
Get that
around.
momentum.
Yeah. Hit a pose again. Hey. Walk around. It's like almost a little break. Let's do it one more time. Pose. walk around. Are you ready to do it again?
Yeah, run that. Come on, one more
Let's run it
time.
back.
One more time.
Let's run it back. Let's do it again. 6, 7, 8, hey. Woo.
Hey.
Hey.
Oh, that's a move.
Let's get it, y'all. Let's get it, y'all. Let's out the haters. Let's move on to crisscross. Hey. And y'all can't tell me nothing. I'm a star. You a star?
Oh yeah, shining away.
Hey. Chicken wing. Chicken wing. Let's get it. Hey. 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 And pull it. And pull it. And hype up the crowd. And pull it. And pull it. And hype up the crowd. Let's in here. Thank you guys so much. That was a straight up workout.
It was.
I mean, I am dripping sweat. I don't know if you can see me from here, but how do you feel?
I'm glowing.
Glowing, guys. Thank you so much for joining us today at Dance FitSugar. Once again, my name is Arianna Davis. Say goodbye to Poofy and bye to Paris. Thank you guys so much for joining us, and I hope to see you back soon.
Bye. Bye.